Class, I am your English teacher Aditi Day. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the exercises C and D given in the page number 5. Today I am going to start with exercise E and F given in the page number 6 beta. Okay. The exercises are given about countable and uncountable noun. So countable and uncountable I have told you in the previous video also that which things we easily count it is countable noun, and which things we unable to count it is uncountable noun. Okay, so in the for an example of uncountable is sugar, rice, wheat. Okay, and countable is like mango, pen, which you easily count, it is countable noun. Okay, so about that exercises is given E and F in the page number 6. So you have to do into the book only with the help of pencil beta. Okay, so let's start with the video. In class, as you all know that in the previous classes I have finished up to this. Today I am going to start with your countable and uncountable nouns. So most of you know that the things we easily count, it is known as countable noun, and the things which we are unable to count, it is uncountable noun. So countable nouns always have plural forms. Okay, but uncountable nouns have never have plural forms. Like when we see the countable nouns, we can put some numbers in front of them, like table, one fridge. Okay, this type of things which we easily count, it is countable noun. So in the first one, identify and circle the uncountable nouns in the given sets of words. Use countable nouns from the sets in sentences of your own. Okay. So first is milk, grass, orange and soup. So you have to circle the uncountable nouns. So milk is uncountable, so circle it. Grass is uncountable, so circle it, and soup is also uncountable, so circle it. Okay, but orange is uncountable and we have to use it into a sentence. So write the countable noun as a sentence like this: there is one orange on the table. Okay, there is one orange on the table. Next is money, rupees, wealth and gold. So money is uncountable because it is how much in amount we don't know. Wealth is also uncountable because you all know that health is wealth. It is a proverb. But in this, wealth is a related to money again, and it is uncountable. Next, gold is also uncountable, so we put the circle. Okay, but rupees is countable, so in this we can use rupees as in sentence. So you have to write like this: please give me 5 rupees to buy the pen. Okay, next is sugar, honey, flour and cake. In this, sugar is again uncountable because sugar we never count it. It is in amount, na, like some sugar, more sugar, like this we can calculate them, na. Next is honey. Honey is again uncountable. Flour is again beta uncountable. but cake is countable. So you can write like this: Meera bought a cake from the bakery shop yesterday. Okay, so you can write it like this. Next, fourth, stones, house, cement, dust. In this, stones is uncountable, so circle it. Cement is uncountable, so circle it. Dust is again uncountable, so circle it. Okay, but house you can count. It is in 1 in number, 2 in number. So you have to write like sentence about countable na. So you can write it like this: there is a big house in the mid of the field. Okay, so complete it. Next is fifth one: news, music, telephone, and information. News, again it is uncountable. Music is again uncountable, so encircle it. And information, but telephone is countable because we use telephone in our house na. So you can write like this one sentence about it: I have only one telephone in my house. Okay, come to the next exercise. Underline the countable noun and circle the uncountable noun in the given sentences. Kevin the cat spilled milk on the floor. So Kevin the cat, you have to underline the countable. Cat is countable, so underline it, and milk is uncountable, so circle it. Next is Isha read her book for some time. In this, Isha read her book. Book is countable. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is counted in number. So, and it is also have a plural form. So, book is countable here, beta, and time is uncountable. So, you can put a circle around time. Na? And sorry, you have to underline the book. So, you have to underline it. Okay. It is countable, so put an underline, and if it is uncountable you can put a circle. Oshita likes to eat mangoes. Mangoes is countable here, so you can put underline it. Okay, can you lend Rakesh some money? So here money is in front of that, some is there, so it is uncountable, and you can encircle it. Okay, Lara had some soup before leaving. Some soup is again uncountable beta, so encircle it. Beanie felt her ears grow cold. You have only 2 ears. Anybody have only 2 ears, so you can underline it. Roshina sipped her tea noisily. So tea is uncountable, so encircle it. The cats pulled sweetly. Here cats is again countable, so underline it. Okay, so complete it neatly, nicely as I have completed. Use only pencil. Okay, and complete this work and send it to me in the class group. Okay beta, thank you.